wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial on how to do some full knotless braids. I had honestly thought I'd switch up the content because I usually give y'all locks and like natural hairstyles, but you know, why not give y'all something else? Now this hair tutorial is mainly going to be on how to add in the boho pieces, not really specifically on how to do knotless braids. So please, if you guys have not really learned how to do knotless braids and you're not really advanced in that, I recommend learning how to do that before just hopping into adding in the boho, because that's kind of key to knowing before you add in the boho hair. So to get started off, y'all already know my parting pattern. I part from ear to ear and section off the front part, and then I start off in the back. So that is how I kind of separated and parted off the hair, and y'all can see I already did a few rows, and this is what the outcome should be if y'all follow these steps. So let's just get into the products that I'm using. So I'm using the Ywigs hair. Honestly, this is a fan favorite at this point because I used it in my last hair tutorial that I did with the boho on my locks. Y'all should go watch that video as well. I'll put a link in the bio for that as well. The product, I use the Neat Braid conditioning gel, and for the braiding hair, I use the Expressions pre-stretched hair. I'm going to part off my section and add a little product onto the part and start off my knotless braid as usual. And once I kind of start my knotless braid, I add in the braiding hair first, and then I add in the boho piece and I put that out. And the hair that I'm using, it has a shorter side where it is straight, so I add in that shorter piece, or I add in the shorter side of the boho piece that is straight, as y'all can see that I'm showcasing, and I braid that in, and then I take the boho piece out and make sure it's out the way as I braid down. So to get the full look, I added in honestly about 5 to 6 pieces per braid. So that is the key to making sure that the knotless braids look full. Y'all can sit here and watch how I'm just kind of adding the hair in.
Still feel to explain. Father, your life never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. That cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world. When Messiah of Christ, I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
Now when I get to the bottom, it's a little different because you know how I add it in and then I pull a piece out. You just add it in and you braid it down as if you were just braiding down with the regular braiding hair. So that last curly piece that you were adding to the end of the hair, if you want the ends of the hair to be curly, obviously this is all based on preference. I know some people like the ends of their hair straight, but we're doing the ends of the hair curly. So I added in that curly piece and I just braided it down with the hair, if that makes sense, towards the end.
That cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases.
And so your knotless braids should look like this with all the pieces added in. Now y'all, when it comes to trying to get the finished look, the good thing about the human hair is that you can dip it in the water, but I also didn't have the water boiling hot like I would usually do if I were just dipping the knotless braids as usual, because obviously if you were to put really hot hair on your natural hair, that can cause some damage. Good thing is that you can still dip the human hair in the hot water, but I didn't have it boiling hot, just, you know, hot enough to make sure that the synthetic braiding hair was secure. So since the whole hair wasn't dipped in the water, I did go in with a spray bottle and I just kind of sprayed the boho hair and made sure that everything was uniform looking. You know, that's all you really need. You don't really need to add any extra products. I know some people put mousse. All I needed was water. And that is the finished product, you guys. I think this came out so cute, y'all. It took so long because of how many pieces I had to add in, but it was worth it. This will last you a long time. So it came out super pretty. But leave any comments, questions, or concerns that y'all have in the comments below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases.